The Victorian writers portrayed poverty, class division, industrialization, urban life realistically in their novels. Examples are novels like Oliver Twist and Hard Times. The writers explored right and wrong, duty, honesty, family values, and consequences of sin. Many works criticize issues like women's inequality, poor education, and harsh working conditions. Literature reflected debates about religion, evolution, and technology. The novels had strong and interesting characters. They were also lengthy, with multiple subplots, suspense, and lots of characters. Many works focused on women's and domestic life. The literature often combined the emotion with discipline. The Victorian poetry reflected doubt and fate. Also, there was a mixture of optimism and pessimism in the writings.